Accessing the onboard flash files and settings menus. First of all, turn the DVR on, hold the button down for 3 seconds. Blue lights will come on and the screen will fire up. First message that will come up is please check the input line and mode. The DVR always defaults to the video recording menu when you first turn the machine on, and to get into the settings or the menu, just press enter and it'll bring up the basic settings menu. There are 4 settings in here. There's video record, video files, music files, and the actual settings where you can go in and make alterations. To scroll through the menu, use the scroll keys, which are the top and bottom key on the side, and they enable you to scroll backwards and forwards through the menu. In this instance, we will go into the video menu. Once you've highlighted the video menu, press the enter button, which is the middle button on the side, and it'll bring up any video files that are stored in the system. In this case we've got 3. We can scroll down individually through those 3 files using the scroll key on the side, or the volume control buttons enable us to scroll right down through to the bottom of the page. So again, we can scroll individually through the videos. Using our enter button again while the video is playing enables us to pause the video. Pressing it again, we'll start it playing again. Using the escape button on the top, we can escape back to the previous menu. We can go all the way back if we wish to our main menu, and again enter will take us back into the video page. While we're on the video page, each of these individual files can be deleted or protected, and to get into that menu, while we've highlighted the particular video that we're now interested in, and again we can do that simply by scrolling up and down to the video that we require, press and hold down the mode key and another menu will come up on the side of the screen. This menu allows us to pick display mode, loop mode, file protect, delete file, TV output or exit. And in our display mode, if we hit enter, it enables us to set up how this particular video is going to appear in this file, whether it be a thumbnail or just a file name, i.e. list. So if I scroll down to thumbnail and enter, we've now got those videos shown as thumbnails. I'll bring mode back up, enter display mode again, and I'll change that back to list. I'll bring mode back up again. Now, loop mode simply means replaying the videos one after the other continuously. So if we look in there, I can play the current video again and again and again and again. I can play them all, or I can play a random selection. So I won't make any alterations in there. Enter, bring mode back up. Now mode enables us to protect files, so I can lock or unlock individual files. If I lock a file, it means it's protected from being deleted. So if I went into the delete file, for instance, and chose delete all, it would delete all video files except for those ones that have been protected by locking them. And then to delete those files, it would be necessary to go into the mode file protect and unlock those files so that they could be deleted. Go down to delete file, and you can see here I can delete the current file or all files. TV output enables me to select whether I'm going to be watching the video on the little LCD screen, and then I can use the AV output to play it through to a TV or a digital display, and I can choose the type of output, whether it be NTSC or PAL output. And then of course exit takes me back out of the mode and back into the main menu. Settings, I can choose the language that the display is in. I have a default menu that enables me to default back to the basic settings and the basic menu onboard menu or memory. I just use the escape key there to go back to the system setup menu. I can turn my speakers on and off. I can alter the time. I have a power function. This is particularly important, a power function, because it enables me to set the screensaver. And at the moment this particular camera is set up so that after 180 seconds or 3 minutes the screen itself will turn off, although the camera would still be recording. So if I had this camera set up and I was recording a video, even though the screen wasn't displayed, it's still actually recording. To bring a screen back up once it's turned off, you just need to press the enter button. I'm going to reset this to never, and you'll notice there that the scroll keys go left and right, and I'm using the volume control keys at the top to go up and down. So I want to be up on never. I'll hit enter. Now that screen won't turn off, so it'll always be there as a reference to show whatever your video camera is pointing at while you're recording video. We've got a memory function. Memory allows me to control which memory is actually being used at the moment. This machine has a 2 GB flash memory on board, and at the moment it's using the flash memory. There's no SD card in the machine, although if I had put an SD card in it, I would be able to go into there and format that card. And you can see there again, I'm going through the up and down switch to set up that format, so I could actually choose to format that card if I so chose. Again, no card in there, so we're not going to do that. We'll go back to flash. We don't want to format this particular machine at the moment because it'll lose all the video that's on there. So formatting is something that only should be done after you've removed any video that you've stored on the machine. So there you can see it's fairly simple and easy to operate, and once you've had a little bit of a play with it, you won't have any difficulty navigating through the system to make the best use of it. And now we'll just exit which will take us back through one step at a time back to where we were. So there you have it, the basic functions and controls of the P series DVR recorder.